Just a short announcement, I'd like to introduce you to the Rig Builder, our system configurator by Funkykit. Funkykit provides the latest in tech news, reviews and hot tips. So why not let us come up with a list of components that'll be perfect for your system build by using Rig Builder. You can build your perfect rig in 5 simple steps. Step 1, select the category. Step 2, select your budget. Step 3, pick the brand of processor. Step 4, also pick your brand of your graphics card. And then step 5, hit the submit button. Rig Builder will come up with a list of components that'll be perfect for your system build. You can hit the individual links to view the product in our Amazon store, or scroll down and hit the buy all button. Rig Builder is in beta version and we hope to add more features as we go along. So give us your feedback and comments, and we hope you enjoy using Rig Builder by Funkykit.